Hello and welcome to another Tip of the Week. I am David Lewis. Today I want to talk to you about the power of reaching daily goals. Now when I say daily goals, I'm talking about the ones that are solely relying on you for them to be accomplished. Goals that will stand or fall based on your dedication and commitment to making them happen. Never forget that daily goals are goals that you alone can achieve without the help, guidance, or assistance from anyone else. Also, keep this in mind. Most salespeople don't have bad months, they just have bad hours. In sales, you can be down in the dumps at 11 a.m. and then higher than a kite at 3 p.m. Also, the two biggest reasons why most of us miss our goals is first, we don't write them down, and second, we don't measure them. So here is my tip, and it would be great if you tried this with just one goal. Write down one short-term goal that you want to accomplish within the next 7 to 10 days. Maybe it is to sell 5 cars, or maybe create $12,000 in commissionable gross. Write down your goal. Develop a plan of attack, and then measure your goal twice a day. And again, make sure this goal is something that you can complete without relying on anyone else to do their job or do something for you. Now, I don't make many promises, but I bet if you do this, the odds are very strong you will reach your goal. And if you do, well, please let me know, as I'd like to share with you in your success. Good luck, everyone.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.